Hello and welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we continue our Kizomba dance tutorials by showing you the basic embrace dancing position. The first thing we have to take into account is the rhythm of Kizomba. The Kizomba beat is constant in all the songs and it will mark how we have to move with our partner. But first we have to learn the embrace. In the embrace we will face each other and give each other a hug. The guy's right hand will go to the height of the chest and the left hand is palm to palm. Things that we have to take into account in the embrace. When we hug the girl, the guy cannot put his weight on her so that she carries his weight and vice versa. Each partner is responsible for their own weight. Things that we also have to avoid include sticking your butt out. So we have to feel the weight of the front on the tip, on the metatarsals. If this were the foot, it would be on this part here. For the girls in the embrace, their left arm will be at the level of the shoulder blade and always over the guy's elbow. Even if the guy is very tall, they always have to adapt to his height. We need to try to ensure the girl has a comfortable position, and when we dance all night, she doesn't have to be worn out. We're going to apply what the embrace is for. When we dance in an embrace, we need to maintain tension with each other. When we move, we try to make that pressure that we feel at the beginning to be constant and not separate from each other. It has to be a comfortable embrace without pressure. Our arms are relaxed, they don't keep the girl tense. And this way we can move around the floor. Here is our video for today. Don't forget to check out our channel for many more dancing tutorials, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.